Auto body is about fixing the outside of a car. Say if there's a dent, we grind it down, pull it out, and then put Bondo on it, which is body filler. So what we do is we take say any size dent really, and we make it look like brand new. Well, over here we got a MIG, which is a welding machine, so we can weld metals together. We got a plasma cutter so we can cut metals. That's what I'm about to do. And we got a lift right here, so if we need to get under a car, we can. Which I don't think we have. Over here, we have our sanding stations that we can drag around. So if we need to sand anything, which we do like every day. Over in the corner over there, we've got our painting station. So when we need to prime or paint a car, we put it in there, get our equipment on, and then we can paint. And there's a little area right there which contains all our paint. Then we got another lift over there, so we can get underneath the car, as you can see. And then any other spot is used for cars or whatever we're working on.